Okay, the next stage is to grow your list, and this is where your people, you might want to do this now, while you're setting up your MVS site, but basically it's also so that the people that sign up under you can start the spiral going by emailing friends of theirs with this squeeze page. But I'm just going to click Finish to get past here, and it takes you now to the Promotion Tools page. And this is where you'll get a first glimpse of your squeeze page link. If you go home, you'll now see that there is a record in here in your list building promotions. The product is Automatic Money. The squeeze page URL is this. And the offer page URL, remember I changed that to listmission.com. You can change it again just by clicking on Edit, and it'll bring up a pop-up window, and you can change it there to whatever you want it to be. I'm going to leave it as it is for now. And the other thing to notice is, scrolling down here, you'll see that there's another copy of Automatic Money, but this one has no lightning bolt. The significance of the lightning bolt is that it shows that it is a rebrander. This, on the other hand, without a lightning bolt, is just a PDF. It's a rebranded PDF, and it contains your links. So what do we do with this squeeze page URL? Right, let's copy it, go to a new tab or window, and pasting the URL in there, and this is what the squeeze page looks like. Now the point about the squeeze page link, and the reason why it looks so long, is because it needs to know what product it is that you're promoting in order to bring up the right squeeze page, and it needs to know who you are, which user ID you've got, in order for any sign-ups to sign up underneath you. It'll do the same for those that sign up underneath them and them and them and so on. And this is indeed how the whole viral spiral system works. So when someone signs up here to this squeeze page, and I'm going to do that with my email, I'll now be taken to List Mission, because remember that is the site that I gave it for the offer page. And more to the point, they will be sent a confirmation email. So if I refresh my inbox, there indeed is the confirmation email from me. It's an auto-generated email to confirm your registration at our site, and there's a confirmation link for me to click. When I click that, it takes me back to the site. When you're testing this yourself, actually, and I've just remembered, you should really log out as top user first, so that you can then create your password as a sub-user, which I'm doing there. You then activate your account, and it enables you to log in. So now I'm logged into the same site as a sub-user, and I can only see that one ebook that I have signed up for. The idea is that the top user will write a series of email messages, put them in the autoresponder so that they go on day 1, day 2, day 3 and day 4, for example, each one promoting the next ebook in the series. This then keeps your users coming back for more. It keeps them going to the offer pages that you've specified, therefore increasing your sales, and it keeps them using your site and promoting your ebooks to build their own lists under your list. So as a new user, I can click to download the ebook. What it does is it opens it in my browser. Obviously, when you want to save an ebook from your browser, we'll just give this a moment to load first. And up it comes. This is what the ebook looks like. You'll see, of course, that, and just to check, the Build Your Viral Spiral link at the top left of every page does indeed go to timsviralspiral.com trial. That is the login page. So obviously this book brings people back to the login page so that they can log in and use your viral spiral. But the point about this is that they can, of course, save this ebook to their own computer just by clicking on File and Save As. And this is a completely rebrand. Well, it's an ebook that explains to them how to use your site, and it therefore gives some useful background to them for how to build their own business while building yours. Okay, so I'll close that now, and we'll just go back to the Viral Spiral site. Oops. And what your users then will do is click on Build Your Business, and they will then be able to start by rebranding their own version of Automatic Money, and they'll go through those same steps that we went through just now, and they will rebrand it and they will pass it on. They'll have their own squeeze page, but the idea is, of course, that that they read your ebook and use the links in your ebook just as you use the links in an ebook above you. Okay, so that then gives you some insight into the way my viral spiral works.